everyone, I'm Christine and I've teamed up with my friends at Love Food Hate Waste Canada to share with you some food saving tips. Well, it is apple season and I'm so excited to show you some apple hacks to help you save your apple food waste at home. First off, how do we properly store our apples to make them last longer? Well, apples produce a natural occurring gas that can be either beneficial or damaging to other produce. For instance, let's say you go to the grocery store and there's only green bananas there and hard avocados. Store an apple alongside them in a bowl and they'll ripen faster. Apples like cold, so you want to make sure you store them in your fridge, in the crisper, which is the coldest part, and if you don't want them to spoil your other produce faster, make sure you store them separately in a separate container in your fridge. Maybe you have some apples and you're not sure you're gonna eat them before they go bad. Freeze them, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. You chop your apples and put them in a bowl of lemon water. This helps them prevent going brown in your freezer, and flat freeze them on a baking sheet. So place this in your freezer for a few hours until they're partially frozen, and then you can transfer to a freezer safe container. And these will last in your freezer for up to 1 year. Now, frozen apples will lose their texture, so they're better in baked goods or smoothies. Apples going bad in your kids' lunch? Well, I have a solution, and this is called the tic-tac-toe method of cutting them. Slice the apple in a little tic-tac-toe pattern, making sure not to go all the way through the bottom. And then you're gonna hold it together with a rubber band. Now the apple will stay nice and together, and it prevents oxidation, and it won't go bad in your kids' lunch. I love my baked goods and I want them to last as long as possible, so place an apple slice in your container along with your baked goods to make them last longer, and it keeps them moist. For some of my favorite recipes using up apples, like these whole apple crumbles, check out lovefoodhatewaste.ca. I've tagged them below so you can follow along for some of their top food saving tools. Together, let's rediscover the value of food.